Once upon a time, in a colorful forest, where the leaves danced in shades of orange, red, and gold, there lived a brave little squirrel named Elliot. Elliot was smaller than the other squirrels, but he had a heart full of courage and determination. As autumn approached, all the squirrels in the forest busily prepared for the long winter ahead. Every day, the sun would peek through the trees, casting warm rays on the forest floor, and Elliot would scamper around, gathering acorns and nuts. Did you know that squirrels can leap up to 10 times their body length? Elliot loved showing off his leaps as he darted from branch to branch. One sunny afternoon, as Elliot was collecting acorns, he noticed his friend, Molly the squirrel, struggling to carry a large acorn. "Don't worry, Molly, I'll help you," Elliot squeaked. With a little teamwork, they managed to gather their acorns and laugh together. Squirrels are known to work together to gather food, often sharing their findings with friends. As the days grew shorter and the air turned crisp, Elliot realized he needed to gather even more food. His friends teased him sometimes, saying he was too small to carry a lot, but Elliot remembered a lesson his mother taught him. It's not the size of the squirrel that counts, it's the size of the heart. One morning, he set out on an adventure deeper into the woods than he had ever gone before. Along the way, he met a wise old owl who perched on a branch above. "Why are you so far from home, little squirrel?" the owl hooted. Elliot replied, "I want to gather enough food for winter, and I'm not afraid." "Remember, little one," said the owl, "squirrels have a remarkable ability to find their way home, even in the thickest forests." Elliot felt encouraged and continued his journey, finding plenty of acorns, seeds, and even some tasty berries. Did you know that squirrels are excellent foragers and can locate buried nuts even under a foot of snow? After a long day of gathering, Elliot found a cozy spot beneath a tall oak tree to rest. As he nibbled on an acorn, he felt proud of all he had accomplished. Just then, he heard a rustle in the leaves. It was his friends, coming to help him carry the food back home. Together, they made the journey back, each squirrel sharing stories of their adventures and the food they had collected. Elliot realized that while hard work is important, having friends to share the journey with made it even more special. Squirrels often collect food from various locations, which helps them survive the winter months when food is scarce. As the first snowflakes began to fall, Elliot and his friends gathered around their nests, cozy and full of food. Elliot looked at his friends and smiled, knowing that his courage and hard work had paid off. He had learned that being brave doesn't mean you have to be the biggest or the strongest. It means believing in yourself and working hard for what you need. And so, in their cozy forest home, the brave little squirrel and his friends settled down for a long winter's nap, dreaming of the adventures to come when spring would return. The end. Let's review the 5 facts we learned about squirrels and then listen to a song about them. Squirrels can leap up to 10 times their body length. Second, squirrels often work together to gather food. Third, they have a remarkable ability to find their way home. Fourth, squirrels can locate buried nuts even under a foot of snow. And number 5, they collect food in various locations to survive the winter.
In the trees where the leaves turn gold, squirrels are busy, they're brave and bold, gathering acorns, nuts, and seeds, stashing them away, that's what they need. Squirrels, squirrels up in the trees, jumping and playing, dancing in the breeze, preparing for winter, they're quick and bright, gathering their food ready for the night. They dig in the ground, hiding their treats, finding the best spots, they're quick on their feet, with fluffy tails and tiny paws, they work together without a pause. Squirrels, squirrels up in the trees, jumping and playing, dancing in the breeze, preparing for winter, they're quick and bright, gathering their food ready for the night. When winter comes and the snow falls down, squirrels are cozy, snug all around. With all their food, they got plenty to eat. These clever little critters can't be beat. Squirrels, squirrels up in the trees, jumping and playing, dancing in the breeze, preparing for winter, they're quick and bright, gathering their food ready for the night. So let's be like squirrels, prepare for the cold, work hard and be brave, and let our dreams unfold. With courage and teamwork, we'll make it through, just like the squirrels, me and you.
Kids with talent.